Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can edit your LinkedIn profile. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to click on the profile option, and after clicking on the profile option, we will be redirected to here. Now simply if you want to edit your image, you can also do that. If you want to upload your profile image, you can also do that. You have to click on the profile image. You have to click on the add photo, and then you have to click on the upload photo, and now you have to choose the image, that which image you want to upload. For example, I want this one, so we have to click on the open, and now you have to choose it, and you have to click on the save photo, and the image will be uploaded here. If you want to add the experience or add the courses, or you can also do that. Simply you have to scroll down, as you can see, add a profile section. You have to click on this. Now you have to choose about section, add education, position, service. Every option is provided here. You just have to choose that, and after that you have to provide the relevant data. So in this way you can edit your profile of the LinkedIn. You can add the details. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.